look for a person that will follow you around everywhere. There are only 2 qualities this person must have. Well, they're probably gonna have more, but 2 are the most important. This person must be intelligent, and this person must be loyal. That's all you need. You're gonna take this person with you everywhere. You're gonna hire them to hire agencies, people, or other types of problem solvers for you. Everybody knows that to save time, you must delegate. And everybody thinks that, to do that, you have to hire someone. But no one thinks about how much time it takes for you to always be searching for that partner that you must find that you will delegate that specific task to. That's also a very important thing that you must do. It requires research, a lot of maybe interviews. So having a very intelligent person who is able to quickly adapt and catch up and find those partners that you need, that you will delegate tasks to, is crucial.